Are you shooting at the far target?
You shoot at whatever target you want to. It does not matter.
Goodness.
Does that go down your shirt?
It hit me, but I hope it didn't go down.
No, you're fine. You'd know. It would be hot. Do you hear those casings? Sound like little rocks hitting the ground.
How many shots you got?
Quite a lot. If you're done with it, you can shoot one more and then set it down. Set it down if you're done with it. Hunter, go ahead and shoot some.
Sure.
Yeah, buddy.
It probably only has a couple shots left.
Yeah.
Don't forget, you have one chambered right now.
Yep.